What's up guys, it's Kale here and I'm here with my trainer Donal and we're going to run through 3 surfing exercises that you probably haven't done yet, but you actually should do them because they're going to be game changers when it comes to prepping your body for surfing and surfing well. Let's get into it. I've been working with my trainer on a brand new course for the Surfer's Roadmap called Ultimate Surf Fitness. Inside it contains the high impact tools and tricks that help me stay strong and injury free for surfing. Today, in celebration of releasing the course, I wanted to share with you 3 really helpful exercises that you can start using immediately to improve your surf fitness.
All right, the training we're doing here is to support and it'll help your surfing, but it won't replace your surfing. You still gotta get in the water and surf. Training in the gym can enhance your training performance or your surfing performance or allow you to surf for a longer career. You're gonna need a balance tool, something like a Bosu, an RX beam, a Duradisc, something that you can put your foot on that creates a wobble response. So we're gonna put one foot on. We're not gonna go right on the top of the Bosu here. We're gonna put it on the surface. And then what we're gonna do is just hold ourselves in a deep lunge position, bring the ball to one side and then bring the ball to the other side. And it's about controlling the center of mass. So I'm bringing my center of gravity outside my body and I have to control it. The key thing is, can you control that front leg? And don't fall over. About 10 reps on each side. Rotation is key in surfing. If you can't rotate, it'll limit all your movement, how you compress and load your system, how you express that energy, and then how you control it again. If you can't use rotation, we use it in everything, throwing our arms and limbs, but to throw and move our body, we need to be able to be fluid. Number 2, one of our exercises we want to do is a T push-up with a weight, okay? So we want to get down in a press-up position, and what we're going to do is have a wide stance response, and what we're going to do is use one weight, we're going to turn our body and pull up and back down. Turn, up and back down. Once you get stronger at it, we can pull and pull the top leg up. So we're getting more of that kind of arrow position. Basic, pull, more advanced, turn, stabilize, pull the knee up. Head is looking to the floor, looking to the direction you're going. This is great for getting the strength in when you pop up and you hold back in that position, that arrow position, but also integrating rotation through your body with some strength. Okay, number 3. What we're gonna do is a lateral lunge or a lateral curtsy lunge. We wanna put a band, just loop the band through something solid at hip height. Put the strap around your waist, take a step out so there's a bit of tension. And what we're gonna do is the inside leg, we're gonna step forward, put our weight on that leg, and then step back. And as we do it, we can get a little bit further or take a little bit more resistance, hold that end position and control here. Don't let the band pull you back. So it's about you're working here, stabilizing and control. Head up. You can do whatever you want with your arms to help whatever happens naturally in your body. Ten reps on either side, swap over, do the other side. So this curtsy lunge or lateral step is great for ankle mobility, foot mobility, and controlling momentum in your body. We're also doing it in a standing up environment, which then has a better transfer over to surfing.
There you go guys, I hope that one helped you out. 3 super helpful exercises to get you surfing better and surfing for longer. This was a taster from the Ultimate Surf Fitness Program with Donal and I, and it's available on thesurfersroadmap.com. Make sure you check it out. See you guys soon. Yo.